Do you want to add money to your Venmo card without spending any money? These are the best choices that are available to you. Your Venmo balance can be used in a variety of ways with the Venmo card, which is a versatile debit card that is free to use. Although there is no charge for the card itself, there may be fees associated with adding funds to it, depending on the method that you use. There are, however, ways to add money to your Venmo card without adding any further cost. Permit me to delve into these approaches. Where can I load my Venmo card? As of the time this article was written, Venmo does not have a partnership with any shop that would allow you to add funds to your card at store locations. Utilizing the Venmo app is the sole means by which you can add funds to your mobile device. How to add money to Venmo card for free? In addition to what was said above, you are unable to add funds to your Venmo card at any shop location. In addition, even if this were feasible, it would still be subject to a fee, much as PayPal, the firm that it is a subsidiary of. Therefore, stores are not even a possibility to have in mind. On the other hand, there are a few ways to add funds to your Venmo card without it being subject to any fees. These include the following. 1. Receive money from friends and family. Venmo's primary role is to facilitate payments between individuals. When it comes to adding money to your Venmo card for free, one of the greatest ways to do it is to ask your friends or family members to give you money. You will be able to begin spending the funds on your Venmo card as soon as they become available in your balance. One thing to keep in mind is that they will also need to have a Venmo account. Despite this, there are always numerous ways to pay someone on Venmo even if they do not have an account. 2. Use direct deposit. You can only add money to your Venmo account and, as a result, your Venmo card through this method, which is the only one that is truly free. If you set up direct deposit through your workplace or through other sources, you will be able to transfer funds without incurring any additional fees. 3. Transfers from linked bank account. If you want to add money to your Venmo card balance, one of the best ways to do it is to transfer money from your linked bank account to your Venmo balance. By the way, this technique is completely free of charge. It is imperative that you establish that you are transferring the funds from a bank account rather than a debit card in order for this to be completely free of charge. The time it takes for the transfer to arrive at your balance should be between 1 and 3 days. You are able to monitor its progress at any time within the Venmo app. Despite the fact that Venmo would not charge any fees for this service, your bank might have its own transfer costs. Therefore, it is important to check their agreement before moving further. Despite the fact that there are free options available, such as getting money from a friend, receiving a direct deposit, or receiving a transfer from a linked bank account, loading your Venmo card typically requires fees. With the intention of transferring funds from your linked bank account, it is important to be aware of the service costs that are paid by your bank.